first finger, your index finger is your second finger, your middle finger is your third finger, your ring finger is the fourth finger, and your pinky finger is the fifth finger. This can be seen in the image below.
Right? So for both hands, as like I told you, our thumb is our first, right? Finger number one. Then index is finger number two. Then middle finger is finger number three, right? Then the ring finger is finger number four. And the last, which is the pinky finger, is finger number five for both hands. Right? You understood?
Yeah.
Any problem?
No.
Okay. So whatever PDF I sent you, right?